Hi all. Some of you have been asking me how to export the videos that you shot using your DJI OSMO Mobile or OSMO Mobile 2 to your internal storage without compromising on the quality of the video that has been shot. Basically what happens is, like, when you're trying to share the particular video from the inbuilt app, that is DJI Go, what happens is it compresses the whole video and the quality gets sacrificed. So what you have to do is, you don't need the app for doing it. Basically I'll just show you where the videos are. So what you have to do is just go to your file manager, then go to internal storage, and then go to the DJI folder that is there, and you will find a folder called camera. So that is where all the videos that you shot will be stored. All that you have to do is, I'll just show you the video that I have shot earlier. So this is a video that I shot yesterday at home. So what you have to do is, you just have to just hold it and move that particular video to whichever location you want. Like, you can even move it to your camera or whatever it is. That's it. So what happens is, in this way your video is saved without compromising on the quality. That's it pretty much. So going forward, I'll also be showing tutorials on how to use the DJI OSMO Mobile 2 and various features that you can use. That's it. Thank you.